Parts of speech.
Hey Elvis, I was wondering, how do we know that we are using the correct words for someone to understand? Yes, we also want to know about this. Can you please explain this to us, Elvis? Sure, why not? In any language, we use words to speak or write. We arrange the words in a proper way to make a sentence so that other people understand. In English language, there are 8 kinds of words. All of these words have been given a name. Together, they are called parts of speech. We know them as noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. To find out the name of a particular word, we need to know the nature of job the word does in a sentence. First of all, let us know about noun. A noun is the name of anything in this world, be it person, place, animal, thing, idea, or emotions. For example, Jimmy is playing. Sia likes apples. People are going to church. Peacock is dancing in the rains. I love my car. Our cat gives us joy. Here, Jimmy, Sia, apples, people, church, peacock, rains, car, pet, and joy are nouns. Now,